102 Corbett saga. The journey begins. We have no food. We have one bottle of 12 ounces of water.
And if we get really thirsty, we can drink off with 40% deep.
It doesn't matter. We really don't know where we are at this point, but we've got a compass. We're headed dead north. We're looking for a lake. We bought a chintzy compass and
don't know if it works.
We don't know what it didn't. We don't know which needle is pointing north. It costs like $2.
We only bought a compass. It was like $5.99, and it turned out that it didn't work very well.
The other side.
We can't find the compass, and this was our land.
It's because we lost the compass, dude. I don't know what it is.
We bought a chintzy compass.
We've been walking around for several hours now, and it's extremely treacherous, and we saw a couple wolves on the top before, so we don't know what it was.
Holy crap! That was so freaking deep. Holy crap! That was sweet. Oh man, that was awesome.
It didn't work out. Did you get it, Phil?
Yeah.
There could have been no worse. There could have been no worse spot.
Did you see that guy throw that stump into our car this morning? That'd be funny if you fell. To the right. Go back. Good. Go right.
Big one.
Yeah, there you go.
That's it. Good.
You guys both went the pansy way. I didn't go that way.
You didn't? You did go that way. I watched you.
All three of you went the pansy way. That's cool though.
Chris, you went lower?
Yeah, dude. I went all the way around the corner. There's a foothold.
There's a big.
Just put your foot all the way around there.
There you go.
Nice. Sweet campsite. Starting here, we'll go across this prairie little thing. Smoke. This fire pit that me and Spencer built. Wood we chopped down with our pocket knives. Sawed it.
I cut that with my pocket knife, dude. Man, we're like kings.
Log we chopped down.
I rolled this.
Chairs.
I rolled this rock for like half a mile.
Oh, yeah.
Fat, dude. Hella fat.
It's alright.
And then it was
Yeah, that was a cool rock Spencer rolled all the way. I don't know why he rolled it.
Team effort on the table. The fattest table you've ever seen. It's fat made by Pat. And that rhymes, Patrick. You know it rhymes.
Alright, here's the most pimped part of our campsite. Sweet table.
Table with water, lashings a la Jeff, and lashings a la Chris.
We packed everything you see here. We packed for like half a mile at least.
Yeah.
No. It was more like a mile.
It was at least a mile.
Sweet table.
It took us 20 minutes, dude. At least.
Well, it took us 2 hours to find this spot.
After circling around
Tent.
for hours.
The lake's up there somewhere.
You left the chest in the car. It was on the ground.
Dang sweet, that's all I can say, man. Holy crap.
Yeah! Woo! Broke that log up so bad.
Awesome. It's the coolest thing I've ever done.
1, 2, 3. Push! Oh, you look all the mud. I dare you to cross that thing. Catch it, grab it, dude. It's only a water snake. Grab him. Right there. Yeah! Are you sure it's just a garner? Bring it over here so I can film it.
How fat?
Really?
Film it, dude.
That's a tight snake, dude. Cool, man.
That's dang cool.
Alright, let's let him go.
You want to let him go already?
Yeah.
Ciao, muchacho. That's tight, dude.
Oh, maybe fall off.
You're gonna hit it and that's gonna make you fall in. No, you guys watch out.
You can easily make it to that big one.
No, you cannot, dude.
Who's going?
That's so far, dude. Take one small step with your right, Matt. There you go.
Holy crap, that's so far. Where'd you jump from? Right here?
Yep.
Holy, I don't think I can make it, dude. If I rack my shin right on it, it's gonna break my leg. No, you won't do that. You go first, dude. You got jacked. Oh, I'm not gonna do that, dude. Pat, you better make it. Shut up, you fat. Gosh, damn it. I'm gonna slip now, it's all wet. I'm gonna jump to over there.
Land on both feet. Cut the slip top.
Jump into over there.
Land onto the rock.
Shut your ass, dude.
You can't make that when you're going in the water hella.
Come on, dude. Wasting film. Sorry, dude.
You can make that, Pat.
Jump
Look.
for the rock, Pat. No,
Shut your dumb asses.
You jump right there. You can make that to the
Alright,
ground.
here we go. I'm just gonna fall in, that's all I'm gonna do.
Go for the grass and you'll make
Alright, dude. It's recording.
I'll give you $10.
I'll give you $10 too. Hey, is that on tape? Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
I'll give you $10 if you make that trick.
You can't not standing long jump that.
No way.
That's far, dude. You can do it.
Oh my gosh, dude!
Yeah! What's up?
Holy cow, dude! This is pretty. Look at all those lily pads, man. Track that frog down and kill it. Oh, that's a big freaking bullfrog, man. I'm the king of the world! King of the world! Let me see it close up. Squirted eggs all over this dude.
I caught this mug. I caught this. It's so easy to catch it.
See his face. Alright, he's done.
It's been a hard day. This is our dinner we have to look forward to. We hiked probably 3 miles today. The highest peak
Full
around.
crap. We hiked way higher than that. Way more than that.
I think it was like 5-6 miles.
I think it was like 8 miles at least.
Really? We hiked a long ways, man. Scaled some rocks.
I think it was 5.
I'd say 5. Then we played a hard game of frisbee. Teams, super hard. Volleyball rules. Threw it so hard that we have, all of us have at least 6 bruises on each hand. So we're pretty tired. And this is our dinner. Cooking right now.
Start recording it when you do that. What we got here, man?
It's so good. One of the best meals you can ever have.
So we got
potatoes, onions, ground beef, and corn.
That looks dang good, man. How does yours taste?
Hella.
It is excellent. A little more spices, a little more onions, and
But it's delicious.
that's it. Maybe that's all I would change. That's juicy.
I got jacked, dude.
I'll eat that. That looks good.
So gonna still grab it.
Yeah. Mine got burned a little bit too, but it'll be good. The saga ends. Fire extinguished. Pat, last piece of clothing was his gray wife beater.
Brown.
Table is cleared. Tent packed. And we're back to the city. I guess there's just no room in this world for old-fashioned timers like us. People who still like to rough it. Who don't want all the cell phones and microwaves. But we're forced.